Hope Nope No for career. Yes, to attract success in your career, I've got a video today for you to experience Hope Nope No specifically to create extraordinary success in your career. Recently, we did this in our daily magic practice course and we got amazing feedback from more than 1,000 students. I'm releasing the same video for you right now on YouTube. But before I start that video, I want you to make sure that you have a wired headset or a Bluetooth headset because only then you'll get the best experience. Keep your hands on your heart, close your eyes, and then after the video is complete, by the way, during the video, whatever I say it with me loudly, okay? And then after the video is complete, tell me in the comment section below, how did you like the experience of Hope Nope No for career success? Tell me if you loved it. I would love to read your messages after you experience it, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's begin.
Just listen to the music for a few seconds. This is a very special frequency of 639 hertz. Just allow yourself to feel the music, let the music work on you, focus on your breathing. Slowly repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for everything that's happening in my career right now. I take 100% responsibility for everything that has happened in my career until now. I take 100% responsibility for everything that is going to happen in my career from now. I am sorry for not doing what was necessary to achieve my career goals. I'm really sorry for not taking enough action. I am really sorry for not being clear about what I want in my career. Please forgive me for changing my goals and not being consistent. Please forgive me for forgetting that I can do anything in my career. Please forgive me for doubting myself, for doubting my potential. Thank you, dear universe, for giving me the opportunity to achieve all my career goals. Thank you for giving me the ability to take action starting now. Thank you for helping me create a career full of success and satisfaction both. I now love doing what I do. I love myself for doing what I love to do. I love you, my dear career. I love that I'm satisfied with my career. I love it that I'm blessed in my career. I love it that I'm always taken care of. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And now repeat with me one more time. I take 100% responsibility for everything in my career right now. I take 100% responsibility for everything that will happen in my career from now. I take 100% responsibility for everything that has happened in my career until now. I am sorry for feeling as if I don't deserve what I want to achieve. I am sorry for doubting myself for achieving my career goals. I am so sorry for believing that what I want is difficult to achieve. Please forgive me for not remembering I deserve everything. We all deserve everything. Please forgive me for forgetting that at the energy level, I am universe. So I deserve everything. Please forgive me for not remembering such a powerful magician I am. Thank you, universe, for reminding me I deserve everything. Because we all deserve everything. Thank you, universe, for giving me the power to attract my career goals, to manifest my goals effortlessly, happily. Thank you, dear universe, for giving me the ability to give 10 times value for anything that I receive in my career. Thank you for making me the best at what I do. I love you, universe, for giving me this career. I love my career. I love feeling satisfied in my career. I love growing in my career. I love helping other people in their career. I love receiving help. I love giving help. Because I remember at the energy level, we are all one. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And with your eyes closed, visualize that all your career goals are already achieved and you're sleeping peacefully tonight. For a few seconds, imagine you're sleeping perfectly peaceful, knowing all your career goals are achieved. Go to sleep. Awesome. Give me one word. How are you feeling in the chat window? That was your career Hope Nopno.
All right. How was that Hope Nopno experience for career? Amazing, right? Tell me in the comment section because I'm waiting to read your comments of your experience today. Okay. Now below this video, I've given you 2 links. First link is to join one more lesson free on daily magic practice. If you want to be having that experience, you want to know what in detail is daily magic practice, use that link. But if you're clear that Mitesh, I am 100% sure I want to experience this with you every day. If you want to be part of it, the second link is to directly join the Hope Nopno practice with me, the affirmations practice with me, which we call daily magic practice. Click on that link, make that small payment, which is only at the cost of 2 vada pavs every day. You'll be part of daily magic practice today onwards. And at 9 p.m., I will see you live and we'll all practice together and experience this kind of magic every day and make sure that you achieve all your career goals this month. Ready? So let's begin. Video link is below this video. And hey, you want to see the next video of Hope Nopno or affirmations that I release for you? It's going to be an amazing surprise. If you want to go through that surprise video, quickly click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon, because only then you will get notification for the next video. See you soon. Take care. Click on that link below quickly. Register now. See you soon in DMP. Bye bye.